In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to install Messenger on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your App Store. Now at the bottom, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Messenger and search for it. Once app appears, click on it. Now you'll see the option of Get or Cloud kind of icon. Click on that. You might be prompted to use your Apple ID's password or use your Face ID. Once you complete this verification process, download process will start. After completion of installation process, you can launch it. When the app opens, it may automatically detect your account if you already use the Meta apps like Facebook or Instagram. If that happens, just tap on your account to continue and log in easily. You can also choose whether to save your login information and set your notification preferences based on what you want, or you can choose the account that you want to log in for. With that, you will be logged in. So this way you can easily install Messenger on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.